Hi, this is Sharanya from 3rd year CSE from Aditya College of Engineering, Surampalam. Today I want to share my experience in projectspace. Projectspace is a conversion of training environment to a real-time environment. In this real-time environment, I grasped vast knowledge from my skilled mentors. My mentors also helped me, supported me and encouraged me, and they also cleared my doubts. And they also helped me to complete my project in a successful way. Thank you Technical Hub and Team Aditya for this wonderful and great opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, this is Shankar and I'm at projectspace. I'm learning so many concepts here and my friends are learning too many concepts here, and we are developing a project that is called recommended system, and we are almost done. We are going to submit our report tomorrow, and finally thank you.
Hello, my name is Meghna. Projectspace is a wonderful event which was organized by Technical Hub. In this project space, I've been working on CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins. And here we are all working on different kinds of technologies, and all our mentors are helping us and supporting us to complete this project on time.
I'm Saisri from CSE department. We are working on a project which performs continuous integration and continuous delivery with AWS services and Jenkins. This project helps us to explore more about DevOps. Here, mentors are providing an environment where we can work late night. Thank you to the Technical Hub for providing this support. Thank you.
Hi, this is Roshni. I'm from EC department. I'm making a project based on cloud. I'm using this project because cloud is used by the software right now, and it's an important thing. It is used to deploy the applications, and this is a great platform provided to us by the CEO of the Technical Hub, Babji Neelams. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tejasri and I'm from CSE department. I'm making a project on cloud-based file sharing in multiple OS platforms. We are working on this project overnight and I'm so excited to participate in this project space. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sona Gangotri. I'm from ECE department. Today we are doing a project based on cloud. Here different people are doing the projects based on different technologies. In this process of learning, we are experiencing a real-time work environment and a corporate etiquette. Thank you Babji sir for providing such a great platform for us. Thank you.